Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our K2 meter with sound. So the standard K2 meter doesn't have any sound, so we've basically modified this to give it sound. So basically it comes with a 9-volt square battery already in it, but if that runs out you can take the screws out the back and replace it. You have an on and off power switch here, and you have 5 lights. The first light is the power indicator, so that's lit solid once you turned it on. And if it detects a little bit of EMF, you get a second green light. If it detects more EMF, then also the yellow, orange, red. It also tells you on this label what level of milligauss that equates to. So spirits are made up of electrical energy, and they can also manipulate static and EMF fields. So generally where there's paranormal activity occurring, you will get EMF readings and spikes. So how you can use this is you can either walk around with it, and if you start getting spikes, that would be a good location to start doing more testing, such as using a spirit box or an EVP recorder. You always want to try and debunk it as well. If you start getting readings, check you're not too close to any power cables or electrical devices. Check your phone's in airplane mode, it's not giving off any signals. So we'll just turn it on and give it a test. Yeah, so it kind of does a power on self test. When you first turn it on, it does light all the lights up, just to show you that they're working. So do it again. Right, so that's showing you that it's on now. So just to show you in action, to let you hear the sound that we've added, I've also got an EMF pump, which is another product that we make. So basically this creates EMF, which can give spirits more energy to use to do more activity. So this picks up EMF, this creates EMF. So we're going to use this to trigger the K2. So we'll turn it on. I'll slowly move it close to the device. Yes, as soon as you get that second green light, the sound starts, and it does get a little bit louder as you get closer. So that's our modified K2 with sound. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the product description, and thanks for watching.